guys, and welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are shopping at Burlington and I am so thrilled to show you guys my new finds this time. I went to only two different stores of Burlington today on Monday, March 31st. And you guys, I literally hit the jackpot. They have two different items from Charlotte Tilbury. Can you believe that? Also, I found a lot of Smashbox palettes. They also have Urban Decay palettes, Laneige, Dr. Jart, a lot of new stuff. Like, this is going to be the best Burlington finds video ever on my channel. I cannot wait to show you guys. I know I look crazy. I just returned back home from my stores and it's pretty late in the evening, but I wanted to upload this video today for you. So in case you like something in my video, you could go to your stores to check out if you could find it. And also I picked up few new items which I'll show you towards the end if you're interested. But for now, let's get started. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoy watching, and consider on subscribing if you are not already. And for now, let's begin. I found these cute Juicy Couture 4-piece lip oil set. How cute the packaging is. I thought these sets are so cute. And these are all different flavors of lip oils you get. You get cherry, raspberry, rose, and also strawberry for $5.99. Then they also had this liquid blush as well, which looks like liquid lipstick to me. And the shades are weird on this set, was going for $5.99 as well. For Dr. Jart, they had this Cica Pear Tiger Grass color correcting treatment new there, which was going for $30. Also, they had these Farm Stay Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask set there as well. I thought this set looked really nice. I have dry skin and I love hyaluronic acid. Was going for $5.99. They also had these Creme Shop Love Pusheen printed sheet mask set there as well. This also looks so cute for $4.99. And I also found Laneige lip sleeping mask there for $15 in the flavor berry. They had these Worst Weekend Glow Brightening Moisturizer for $4.99. Then also for Laneige, they had these Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. This we have never seen before. They had a couple of those in stock for $25. Also for the brand Farm Stay, they had this Water Full Moist Deep Cleansing Foam new there for only $3.99. And here you can see the expiration date. Then they also had these Vital Hydra Solution Sheet Mask set for Dr. Jart. You get 5 sheet masks in this for $9.99. Real Techniques Sponge set for $5.99. This set we found at TJ Maxx for $3.99, so better price at TJ Maxx. The Face Shop Face Cleanser was new there for $4.99. This also is K-Beauty brand. Then I also found this Creme Shop Love Pusheen 3-in-1 Complete Cleansing Wipes set for only $3.99. You get 2 packs of wipes in this. They also had this the original makeup eraser as well, which we have never seen this brand at Burlington. Was going for $4. Also they had this Impressions Vanity X Hello Kitty 12-piece of sponge set as well. This brand we see a lot at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but this brand is really expensive over there, and I found them for affordable at Burlington. They had these brushes as well for Hello Kitty and Minnie Mouse collection. For Impressions Vanity, these sets are so beautiful. These typically goes for I believe $25 at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They have it at Burlington for $20. I thought it was a nice price on them. Then they had this Minnie Mouse one as well, which is right here, and the packaging is so cute on this one as well for the same price, $20. And this set right here was amazing find. These also are so pricey at TJ Maxx. I found them at clearance for $10 at TJ Maxx. They have it on markdown here at Burlington for only $4.49. I thought it was amazing. They also had Creme Shop blemish patches there as well for their Stitch collection for $7.99. Then they had these Kiss nails, which are so beautiful, for $4.99. I also found this OPI nail polish set there as well. You get 4 mini sizes in this and was going for $5. I also found the brand Root Cosmetics over there as well. So this is one of their eyeshadow palettes, which is so gorgeous on the inside. This one was opened, so I thought I would show you guys. So stunning, and was going for $8.99. They also had these elf gift sets coming in stock at Burlington. We have seen these at TJ Maxx a couple of times. Over there it's going for $8 and here they have it for $10. So better price at TJ Maxx. And this Belief skincare set worth every penny, you guys. I absolutely love this set. I got mine at Ross. This one here at Burlington going for $20. And this set for Origins was on markdown. You get 3 different products: eye cream, face moisturizer, and serum for only $14.79. Great price on this. They also had this mini size of Hermes perfume at Burlington as well, which was going for $25. Then this Lady Million Peco ribbon. I thought it was a really nice find for $15. Then for Arabic perfumes, they had this one new there. It had very fancy leather packaging and this one was going for $40. Also for Arabic perfumes, they had this one new there as well for their Latafa brand, which is quite popular. And also this red packaging one as well. I don't know how they smell, but those were going for $30. Also they had Yara one as well. This one is candy one. These perfumes are so popular. And this right here was also running for $30. They also had the brand ALT, which is a dupe brand. So they had this one Crystal Smash, which is inspired by Baccarat Rouge and Lost Cherry by Tom Ford. Also they had this inspired by Bloom as well, which was going for $20. Then also this as well, which is inspired by Gucci Guilty. And also for Arabic brand, they had this perfume there as well for the brand Latafa, very popular brand, for $30. And also for them they had this one as well. This one calls Fusion Paris Corner. Looks like Arabic brand for the same price. They also had this one there as well for Latafa for $30. Then these fragrance mist as well, which we have seen last time as well. They had a bunch of those in stock at Burlington if you guys want anything. And those were going for $7.99 each. They also had these gold packaging one as well for the same brand and for the same price. Now for Charlotte Tilbury, they had this Beauty Insider Sephora gift set. I thought it was not too nice to find it there, but still it's a very nice brand and they are selling it for $17. I thought it was a steep for a gift set, but I was excited to see this brand there. They also have a couple of these Urban Decay Heat eyeshadow palettes there as well, which those were going for $25 each. And they had a bunch of these Clinique gift sets there as well. Redness solution set. You get cleanser, moisturizer, and looks like SPF of 15 for $35. And this Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum for $35. A bunch of these brushes, which looked like really nice packaging. I thought I would show you guys for $9.99 for this brand right here. They had this eyeshadow palette there as well, you guys, for Charlotte Tilbury for $34.99. Here is what you get on the inside. This one is in Celestial Pearl. Then also more of these Tartelette Energy eyeshadow palettes as well, which we have seen in the past for $20 each. And also they had a bunch of these always on Smashbox mood board eyeshadow palettes. These all are in bougie vibes. Was going for only $17. I thought it was such a nice find, and they had a tons of those in stock. I was so excited to see this many. All of these were in the same color story bougie vibes. And this palette for Urban Decay was on markdown this time for only $9.09. This one is their mini sin palette. And I also found this cute cherry backpack for Madden Girl. I thought I would show you guys. And this one was going for $20. Then this juicy backpack was there as well for $28. And this one for Aldo, so cute. And this right here was going for $28. Then this one for Juicy as well for $18. Then this Steve Madden bag was new there as well, was going for $24.99. Also this one for Juicy was going for $25. And this big backpack as well for Steve Madden, which this one was running for $37. And they had this red Steve Madden purse new there for $30. And this backpack for Juicy as well, which this one was going for $27.99. And also this one for Betsy Johnson for $20. And they had these makeup bags as well for Juicy. A bunch of those were in stock, and those were going for $12.99 each. Also, they have this set of two as well for 15. And for Juicy, they had this new bow bag there, which I thought was cute, was going for $28. I found these cute denim Guess slides on markdown, was going for $20. I thought those were so cute. Also, these Madden Girl ones for $17.99. And these are for Skechers. Those were weird, was going for $30. And they had these slides new there for Tommy Hilfiger for $27. And these for GBG was going for 18. And this one is for Juicy Couture. There is no price ticket for this one. They also have these for Tommy Hilfiger for 27. I also spotted this new there for Juicy Couture 3-piece reversible quilt set, which includes two pillowcases as well. I thought it was pretty, was going for $32.99. Also for Juicy, they had this really soft blanket there as well, which was going for $17. Then I found this Bratz t-shirt there, which was going for $9.99. Also for t-shirts, they had this cute one as well, which this one was going for $5.99. And also they had this Pooh one, which was going for $8.99. And then this New York one as well, which was so cute, for $6.99. And they also have this one as well. They have a lot of new cute lightweight t-shirts if you guys want anything. This was for $6.99. Then this Cherry Coke one as well for $7.99. Now for haul part, I picked up these cute lounge wear pants. Those are so soft and good quality. I don't know this brand, but for only $7.99, I thought these were so cute. I like the color as well. And then also I picked up this cute New York t-shirt. This also is so cute. I love the color combination. Was going for $7 only. And this is a very nice quality lightweight soft t-shirt. And they had this one there as well, Tokyo Japan one, which I also got. I thought the print was so cute. This was going for $7.99. I don't know this brand, but it calls French pastry. And I also got this Impressions Vanity for Hello Kitty brush set. I just had to buy it. It is so cheap over there. I have never found it for this price ticket anywhere else. And I have never tried Impressions Vanity brushes, so I thought I would give them a try. They are really soft and great quality brushes, I want to say. Really very nice quality. The bristles are super soft and looks like very nice quality brushes. And I got this Smashbox Always On Mood Board eyeshadow palette. I have never tried their shadow formulas, so I thought I would give it a try. This also is currently available at Ulta's site for around $39, and it was for only $17. I thought I would give it a try, and the color story is also so cute. And this first shimmer shade is so gorgeous. When I swatched it, so pretty. It is not like glittery at all, but very sparkly and blinding. I thought it was so beautiful. The mattes were also really easy to swatch, and this palette looks like a very nice quality palette. I think they are going to look so pretty on ice as well. I can tell by swatching. So that be all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Some of you guys love cookie and cream. I thought I would include little footage. Here they had their first ever time with catnip, and they were so excited. Look at them. They played so much after sniffing it, and look at, they don't know what they are doing. It was so much fun to look at them when they had it for the first time. And after playing so much, they both slept like a baby. It was so cute. So yeah, anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.